Mukhani, a dish older than the borders that divide its homeland. From Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, where the dabas, the humble roadside kitchens, have let black lentils whisper over dying coals through the whole of the night, for longer than anyone can remember. This is not a dish to be hurried. The mukh-hen, the butter, gives it its name. But its true soul is thyme, whole black urad, lentils, and a handful of kidney beans surrender slowly over hours until their own starch turns the pot to silk. No shortcut has ever matched it. Patience is the only real ingredient. Servings 6. 12 hours of soaking, 1 hour to soften, and 4 more at the gentlest heat the fire will allow. 1 cup of whole black urad lentils, 1/4 cup of red kidney beans, butter, cream, tomato, ginger, garlic, Kashmiri red chili, Kashmiri, and garam masala, and salt. It begins the night before. The black lentils and the kidney beans slip into cool water and are left 12 hours. While the house sleeps, they drink, and they swell, and they soften. In the morning, they are drained. This is the first patience the dish will ask of you. It will ask for more. Into a deep pot they go, with 6 cups of fresh water, and the first half of the salt. The heat rises, the water trembles, then rolls. For 1 hour they simmer, until a lentil pressed between 2 fingers gives way without resistance, tender to its very center. The kitchen begins to smell of earth and of warmth. In another heavy pot, the butter melts slowly. It foams and quiets and turns the color of pale gold. Into it go ginger and garlic, finely minced, and they hiss and bloom and fill the room with their fragrance. This is the tudka, the tempering, the moment the whole dish wakes up. Now the tomato, 1 cup, poured in, and with it the Kashmiri red chili and the garam masala. Stir and wait. The mixture darkens and thickens until at its very edges the fat begins to separate and shine. This is how you know it is ready. The deep red base of everything to come. The lentils return with all of their cloudy liquid. A spoon presses a few against the side of the pot, and they break and thicken the whole. Then the heat drops as low as the flame will go, and for 4 hours it simmers. A slow breath of bubbles, a stir now and then, a splash of warm water whenever it thirsts. At the very end, the last of the butter and the cream poured in a slow white ribbon, folding into the dark. 15 minutes more, and a final pinch of salt. The dal is no longer many things. It is one thing now, glossy and deep and whole. The name tells you everything. Dahl, D-A-H-L, the lentil, and Makhani, from Makan, Muk-han, the butter, buttered lentils. But that plainness hides a small marvel, that something as humble as black gram and beans could become, with nothing but thyme and butter, a dish fit for a wedding feast. The poorest pantry made royal. Its home is Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, where wheat grows gold and the soil is generous. There, in the dabas, the truck stop kitchens that line the long roads, a pot of dal would sit at the back of the fire, overnight, fed scraps of coal, so that by dawn it had become something close to velvet. And then, a second birth. In the years after partition, when families crossed new borders carrying little more than their recipes, the dish was reimagined in the restaurant kitchens of Delhi. The same rich gravy of tomato, butter, and cream that crowned the famous butter chicken was given at last to the lentils, an old food made new. Today it travels far from the Punjab. It is the quiet centerpiece of celebrations, ladled at weddings, simmered for guests, served on tables half a world away. The old cooks will tell you, a true Dal Makhani is never finished in a single day. It is begun, and then it is waited for. And so it returns to the bowl, a swirl of cream across the dark, like a river seen from the sky, steam rising, the smell of butter and smoke and patience. Dal Makhani endures because it asks for the one thing no one can buy, not skill, not riches, only time, given freely and rewarded in full. And the table, at last, is set.